Unlock the power of Gemini directly from your terminal with this quick guide to setting up the Gemini CLI. First, we need to get our hands on the Gemini command line interface, or CLI. You'll want to navigate to the official Gemini developer resources on Google's developer website. Look for the Download or Get Started section, where you'll find the appropriate installer for your operating system. Whether you're on Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, select and download the installer package. Once the download is complete, it's time to run the installer. Most operating systems will have an executable file that you just need to double-click. Follow the on-screen prompts to guide you through the installation process. This typically involves accepting the license agreement and choosing an installation directory. The installer will handle placing all the necessary files onto your system. After the installation is finished, we need to ensure your system can find the Gemini CLI. This usually means adding the installation directory to your system's path environment variable. The installer might offer to do this automatically. But if not, refer to your operating system's documentation for instructions on how to manually add a directory to your path. This crucial step allows you to run Gemini commands from any location in your terminal. To verify that everything is set up correctly, open a new terminal window or tab. Type a simple command to check the installed version of the Gemini CLI. If you see a version number displayed, congratulations! You have successfully installed and configured the Gemini CLI, ready to harness Gemini's capabilities with just a few keystrokes.